Hi! In this video I'm going to show you how to knit the toes. Right now you should have 33 stitches in total on needles 2 and 3 and 15 stitches in total on needles 1 and 4. Before we can start with the toes, we need to transfer 4 stitches from needle 2 to needle 1 and 4 stitches from needle 3 to needle 4. Next, use a stitch marker to mark the first stitch of needle 2 and the last stitch of needle 3. Now you should have 23 stitches between these markers, and the markers should be positioned in a way that they symmetrically divide the top of the sock from the bottom of the sock. Knit until you get to the last 2 stitches before the first marker. Knit 2 stitches together and then knit the stitch with the stitch marker. Knit the first 2 stitches after the marker together through the back loops. Continue knitting until you reach the last 2 stitches before the next marker. Knit 2 stitches together and knit the stitch with the stitch marker. Knit the next 2 stitches together through the back loops. After this round, knit 1 round of knit stitches. Decrease like this in every other round, a total amount of 7 times. After that, decrease in every round until only 4 stitches are left. You can then cut the yarn and pull it through the remaining stitches or close the toes using the Kitchener stitch. I hope this video series was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon!